So the second poem, I don't know where it came from, but it's called Remember When I Died. Remember when I died. Remember when I died and all you gave me was a bottle of wine? Remember when you told me there was nothing in space except for the flow, the disconnect, the sounds of synergy, the nuances of neuropathy? Remember when I arrived, the disconcerted static on the radio warned of a typhoon. Silk webs hung from the ceiling. This was where young spiders committed suicide because the spider mother lived to see the nest hatch. Anomalies bring anomalies. Like when I told you I was autistic, and you said, no wonder, I knew anxiety wasn't the only thing wrong with you. I want nothing more than to collect all of my disorders and put them on display. I will not stop until I can find all of them. Let's say I found ADD in Berlin, depression in Baghdad, and the extremely elusive PMDD all the way in Alaska during the Iditarod, when I threw a tantrum after the man I bet on placed near last in the race. If you place near last, you place last and are only kidding yourself. Let's be real. Remember the Amtrak we took in Chicago that sounded like a diluted nightmare? And the waitress told you, I'm sorry, but we don't serve daydreams, and so we left. Remember after you gave me the wine, which was red, and all you could conjure was, I'm sorry, it's all they had left in the middle of my funeral, and the whole of Chicago stared down from their expensive apartments, their eyes dropping torpedoes towards the streets below?